My name is Josep Punga, and I speak on behalf of the Catalan National Assembly, a grassroots organization defending the right to self-determination of the Catalan people. The European Charter for Minority Languages marks the need to promote regional or minority languages in order to safeguard them, and the obligations that states have regarding their use in public services and education. In Catalonia, we have an immersion school system, a model of success that allows pupils to master both Catalan and Spanish, and that serves as a tool of cohesion and integration into the Catalan society. However, this model has for years been victim of judicial interferences and attacks that violate linguistic rights and promote systemic discrimination against Catalan speakers, going against inclusion and endangering both the quality of education and the survival of the language, at a time when its use in schools and among the youth is experiencing a massive setback. In 2020 and 2023, the former UN Special Rapporteur on Minority Issues, Mr. de Barenes, showed concern about the judicial resolutions against the immersion model, but his recommendations were ignored. More recently, the Committee of Experts of the European Charter for Regional or Minority Languages affirmed on their 6th evaluation report on Spain that these measures were a great source of concern and that setting a minimal percentage of teaching in Spanish goes against Article 8 of the Charter for Regional or Minority Languages. For these reasons, the Catalan National Assembly calls on the competent UN authorities to ensure that Spanish authorities comply with their international standards and obligations regarding minority language protection in education and to comply with the recommendations of the experts of the Charter. Thank you.